kapag tumitingin ka, natutunaw ako? Bakit kapag lumalapit ka, kumakabog ang puso ko? Bakit kapag nandito ka, sumasaya ang araw ko? Lahat ng bagay sa mundo parang walang gulo. Bakit kapag nakikita ka, parang nasa ulap ako? Bakit kapag kausap kita, nauutal-utal sa'yo? Bakit kapag nandito ka, nababaliw ako? Nababaliw sa tuwa ang puso ko. Sa isang sulyap mo ay nabihag ako, para bang iba na ang lahat ng ito. Sa isang sulyap mo, nabigayin ako, nabalot ng pag-asa ang puso. Sa isang sulyap mo, nalaman ng totoo, ang sarap mabuhay, punong-puno ng kulay. Sa isang sulyap mo, ayos na ako. Sa isang sulyap mo.
Love, it's a special day. We should celebrate and appreciate that you and me found something pretty neat. And I know some say this day is arbitrary, but it's a good excuse, but I love to use, baby. I know what to do, baby. I will love you, I'll love you, I'll love you. Love, I don't need those things, I don't need no ring, I don't need anything. You, me.
I've been praying for the day when we'd be walking side by side. Love was in hiding till heaven's timing.
I love the shape of your mouth, I love the taste of your lips, I love the way you pull me into you and I melt when you're holding my hips. I love the scar on your chest and all your perfect tattoos. You're a kind of drug, the kind that I need, the only kind I could choose. Oh, we can't get any better than this. You've stolen me with your perfect the sound of your laugh when you throw back your head. I love the way you always reach for my hand.